Hey, hello, here we are in the camping with Juan Pablo, Juan Jose.
Hello.
So we are going to prepare, this is the next morning, we're going to prepare the breakfast. I hope we have a good breakfast today. We took the recipe from the books. Okay, so now we're going to tell you the ingredients for our recipe that we chose. The recipe is caramel French toast. Mm. So what are the ingredients?
Uh, 1 cup baked brown sugar. And 1 cup liquor syrup.
Great. Additionally to that, we're going to add a loaf of cinnamon bread, sweet bread, or it could be also bagels sliced into 3, but we are going to use the cinnamon bread. We are going to need also 1.5 sticks of butter, rama, and also we are going to need 4 eggs. Yes, 4 eggs. One also 1 table. Thank you, Juan Pablo. 1 tablespoon of vanilla and half a cup of soy milk. So those are the ingredients that we need. And let's do it. Let's begin, Juan Pablo.
Thanks, one. Set 1 plate inside an air fryer to heat. Mix eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4 eggs. Milk. And vanilla in a mixing bowl and mixing well.
Great. Okay, the next step is to pour the mixture in the frying pan. This is gonna be delicious. And I'm going to put the bread inside. So the bread gets soaked with the mixture. And now I'm going to put them apart in the warm plate that was near the fire. And I'm going to put a little bit of butter on each side of the bread. And then I'm going to cover them with tin foil. Okay.
In the same fry pan, put in full stick of butter and melt. Add sugar, brown sugar, and corn syrup. And cook until sugar is melted.
Okay, the next thing is a loaf to cook until you have a luscious caramel sauce. You have to stir, and then I have to move the frying pan around the fire to find a place where the sauce bubbles slightly but doesn't foam up or boil over. So you keep stirring. So you usually accomplish this by taking the pan away from the heat and regularly keep sampling until I get the right taste and consistency. A little bit more of heat. Now it's ready. You wanna taste?
Very good.
Oh, great! I'm hungry. I don't know, but come on, I'm waiting.
The bite,
The bread, yes, very
the
good.
bite of the slice of French toast.
Mhm.
To serving plate and sauce to each. Very.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind. Wow, what a great chef you are, man.